Department is charging a former South Bend police officer with a criminal civil rights violation. Now, we have new details tonight on this breaking news that we brought you tonight at 5:30. This man, 40-year-old Theo Robert, is accused of assaulting and injuring a man at the St. Joseph County Jail back in 2010. WSBT-22 Suzanne Spencer is live at the jail where this incident allegedly took place. And Suzanne, why did the Justice Department get involved in this case?
Rick, in a news release just released today, the Justice Department said any time that there's an incident involving a law enforcement officer, especially depriving someone of their constitutional rights, they get involved. They claim that's what happened here at the St. Joseph County Jail about 5 years ago. The Justice Department charges stem from this incident at the jail in May of 2010, caught on the jail security camera. Officer Robert appears to punch a handcuffed Jermaine Harris. The Justice Department says Robert violated Harris's civil rights to be free from the use of unreasonable force by a person acting under color of law. Harris was in the jail after police arrested him at his home, an arrest his lawyer says was without cause.
He was charged criminally. He was eventually exonerated, and we then brought a civil lawsuit for what happened afterwards in the St. Joseph County Jail.
That civil suit against the city of South Bend was settled out of court in 2012.
The parties settled their differences out of court at mediation. We're not at liberty to discuss the terms of the settlement.
WSBT-22 News filed a public records request with the city tonight to get more information on the settlement. Rubel says he's the one who reached out to the Justice Department with what he calls concerns.
I know that my client is extremely gratified that I was able to exonerate him in the criminal case. He was also happy to resolve the civil case, and he's even more happy that the federal government has stepped in to take care of a situation of what's clear police brutality.
Police Chief Ron Teachman just released a statement to WSBT-22 News. He says his administration takes all allegations of police misconduct very seriously. The city will continue to cooperate with investigators looking into this 2010 incident. He also says the department is working hard to make sure that that atmosphere of trust and mutual respect continues to grow between police officers and those in which they serve. A spokesman for the South Bend Police Department told us tonight Robert was relieved from duty from an unrelated incident for quite some time. The Justice Department says the investigation is still being conducted by the South Bend branch of the FBI, and that is still ongoing. I did reach out to Robert on his cell phone, left a message, and I have not heard back. Reporting live from the St. Joseph County Jail, Suzanne Spencer, WSBT-22 News.
Now, this isn't the first incident that Robert has been accused of wrongdoing. Since he joined the force in 2006, the police department says there have been at least 18 citizen and administrative complaints filed against him, each requiring an internal investigation. That includes 1 complaint in 2009, 4 in 2010, 7 in 2011, and 2 in 2012, and 4 through November of 2014. Robert has been suspended at least twice over those allegations. With police officers